If you use Excel, these 5 shortcuts will save you hours every single week. And you can start using them right now. Shortcut 1.
Number 1. Ctrl Shift L. Instantly add or remove filters in your data.
No more hunting through the toolbar, it's just one quick keystroke. Shortcut 2. Number 2. Alt plus equals.
Highlight your numbers, press Alt and equals, and Excel will total them instantly.
No formulas. Shortcut 3. Number 3. Control, semicolon. Need today's date? One key combo, done. It's perfect for logs, reports, or any timestamp. Shortcut 4. Number 4. Ctrl and the arrow keys.
Jump to the edge of your data in any direction.
It's a lightning-fast way to navigate big spreadsheets. Shortcut 5. And finally, number 5. F4.
This repeats your last action instantly. Whether you're formatting cells, inserting rows, or applying formulas, just press F4 and Excel does it again. Try these shortcuts today, and you'll never go back. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more quick Excel tips, because Excel doesn't have to be complicated.